Good morning, students. Today we will start with a new chapter, chapter number 18, geography chapter, and that is wildlife. Now, in the previous chapters, we have studied about the climatic conditions of India, and depending on that, we have studied the different types of forest being found in India. Now, based on the forest, we see that in India we have got the diversified wildlife. Okay, so now first of all understand the definition of वाइल्ड लाइफ हम किसको बोलते हैं? एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स लिविंग इन द नेचुरल हैबिटेट एंड नॉट विद इन द पोजेशन और कंट्रोल ऑफ ह्यूमंस. नाउ वट एवर एनिमल्स वी फाइंड लिविंग इन द natural habitat was what? The forest areas, okay, that are being found in the forest areas and that are not in the possession or control of human beings. If they are in the control of human beings, we say it as pet animals, but they are not in the possession of or control of human beings, means they will be considered as wildlife. Now, cultivated plants and domesticated animals are not included in wildlife. Okay, those plants which we cultivate, जिनको हम उगाते हैं, और जो animals हम we keep it at home as pet animals, we say it as they are domesticated animals. So all this will not be included in wildlife. Now, India has a diversified relief and climate, and similarly we have got we can say a vast or a diversified wildlife also. Now, in the entire world there are 15 lakh species of wildlife. Okay, so many different types of animals being found in the entire world, crossing nearly 15 lakh, and out of which 81,251 species are found in India. इतनी सारी different types of species, 81,251 species are found in India. Now these include reptiles, mammals, fish, and different type of insects also. Okay. Now these all different types are found according to the forest areas. जहाँ जैसे जैसे forest होते हैं mostly वहाँ पे different types of animals being found depending upon the forest areas. Now, India is at the 6th position among the countries rich in biodiversity. Okay, with so much variety of animals, India stands in 6th position. Now, India has less forest cover, compared to that its wildlife diversity is noticeable. Even though we have studied that India में इतना forest cover नहीं है, mostly it is seen in the northeastern side, but then also there is a diversified wildlife being found in India. Now, zoo or geographic regions of India, कहाँ कहाँ हमारे इंडिया में we can say wildlife is being found. That is based on the different regions of India. Natural vegetation regions have been devised on the basis of their characteristics. Similarly, a spatial distribution can be made for animals. The wildlife of India is divided into 9 zones according to the similarities in their characteristics and their existence in any region. Now, wildlife is based on the zones. कौन सी areas में किस type के animals मिलते हैं? So first of all, the regions being divided. Okay, so India, according to the wildlife, it has been divided into 9 areas or 9 zones. The first one is the Himalayan areas. Then again on the top of the Himalaya areas only, Ladakh and the dry cold areas. Then the forest cover in lower Himalayas, highlands without forest cover in upper Himalayas, northern plains, desert of Rajasthan, peninsula plateau, sea coast, and Nilgiri hills. Means in these 9 zones, different type of animals will be found according to the zone areas, isn't it? You will see some particular animals, suppose they are found in the Nilgiri hills, these type of animals will not be found in Himalayas. Mostly they will not be found in Himalayas. Or the animals that are found in Himalayas, mostly they will not be found in northern plain areas. Okay, so in one particular areas, different type of animals are found. In another area, different type of animals are being found. Now, biodiversity is studied according to these zoo or geographical regions. Now, India again has got a diversified wildlife. अलग अलग areas में अलग अलग animals हमारे India में पाए जाते हैं. So, in this paragraph, they have given कि which type of animals are found in which areas. The vast alluvial plains of rivers, peninsula plateaus, mountainous regions, swampy areas, sea coast, dense forest areas, deciduous forest, coniferous forest in Himalayas and other higher regions form a vast background for the habitation of wildlife in India. Okay, in all these areas, so many diversified animals are being found. Swampy areas means दलदल के एरियाज में अलग एनिमल्स मिलते हैं. सी कोस्ट के साइड में हमको अलग एनिमल्स दिखेंगे. Dense rainforest, we have got different type of animals. The animals seen are Asian elephant in peninsular rainforest areas. Okay, so in peninsular areas, जो हमारे इंडिया का पेनिनसुलर एरिया है, वहाँ पे हमको कौन सा मोस्टली एनिमल मिलता है? एशियन एलिफेंट्स. देन वन हॉर्न राइनो इन स्वैम्पी ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर एरियाज, जहाँ पे ईस्टर्न साइड में ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर है, वहाँ पे वन हॉर्न राइनो इज बीइंग फाउंड. ऐसा नहीं है कि राइनोज और नहीं होंगे, बट मोस्टली दीज राइनोज आर फाउंड इन दीज ब्रह्मपुत्र एरियाज. Snow leopards in higher Himalayas. Now in the Himalayan parts we will see the leopards. Okay, they are known as snow leopards are being found over there. Wild goats and musk deer in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, these are the special animals being found in Jammu and Kashmir, the musk deer and the wild goats. Wild buffalo, that is the Indian bison. Tiger in central India. Okay, buffaloes and tigers are being found in central India and West Bengal. Gudakar, that is wild ass in Little Rann of Kutch. Many times when you go towards the Rann area, you will see such type of animals, the wild ass. Okay, that is known as Gudakar in Hindi. And flamingos in waterlogged Greater Rann. Presence of great Indian bustard in the Greenland area is noted again. In the waterlogged area, migratory birds from cold regions come down in great number. Okay, जहाँ पे water है, small lakes are being there the migratory birds come. These include Siberian crane, pelican, Tibetan duck, kunj, karkara, etc. Okay, these are all different types of mostly cranes, isn't it? Kunj and karkara are cranes. Okay, these birds come down in winter season. Flying squirrels are seen in the dense forest of Western Ghats. Okay, जहाँ पे वेस्टर्न घाट्स के फॉरेस्ट है, वहाँ पे तुमको different type of small animal, flying squirrel is being seen over there. Nicobari dove is a rare bird seen in Nicobar Islands. When you move to Nicobar Islands, there is a dove. Okay, a dove is a special type of sparrow, या not sparrow, we can say कबूतर जिसको बोलते हैं. Okay, that is being found in Nicobar Islands. Rare species of corals are seen in the Gulf of Kutch and Lakshadweep. Coral reefs are पानी में जो फंगाई टाइप का होता है, उस टाइप का we can say फंगाई है, that is being found in Gulf of Kutch and Lakshadweep Islands. Along with mammals and many types of birds, notice should be taken of king cobra, snakes, python, iguana, okay, are also being seen over there. Then along sea coast and other water bodies, various fishes, sea, snakes, dolphin, shark, dugong, okay, that is sea cow, octopus, whale, etc. form a part of animal world. So all these different types of animals are being found or seen in India. Besides forest, animals like fox, wolf, nilgai, deer, mongoose, rabbits, wild hog, hedgehog are seen in agricultural areas. Wild hog and hedgehog are pigs, different varieties of pigs, a type of pigs we can say. Many birds such as nightingale, parrot, peacock, weaver bird, then shibari, pillak, vulture, kabar, dhor, bagla, etc. are also seen roaming in these areas. Okay, so all these are the different types of animals and birds which form a we can say diversified wildlife in India. All these are a part of Indian species या इंडिया में पाए जाते हैं animals and birds. Okay, so all these topics are being given on page number 137 of your textbook. Go through it. और इसमें से mostly 1 mark 2 marks के answers ज़्यादा हैं, but a big answer like the diversified wildlife of India can be asked, in which you have to then give the names of all the animals and birds being found in India. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.